The bundling of generative AI capabilities within mobile devices is already the norm, with brands like Google and more recently Samsung jumping on the bandwagon for their respective flagship phones. OnePlus appears to be going in a different direction, as OnePlus 12 did not feature any flashy AI tricks on the launch day. But that's changing now, with the OnePlus 11 and OnePlus 12 in China picking up new generative AI features courtesy the latest ColorOS update. As discovered by Michelle Rahman, OnePlus China has started rolling out the ColorOS update for OnePlus 11, but it has found out that OnePlus 12 in the region was already picking up this update. English version of this changelog details the AI edition bundle with the OnePlus 11 update. Out of three generative AI features are mentioned, including AI summarizer. The AI will capture a summary of your phone call. The AI will capture data such as location, times, dates, action items, and other key information from your phone calls. Next up is an image editing tool that lets you remove objects and people from images. This is very similar to what Pixel 8 and S24 series had, though the changelog only mentioned the ability to remove things from photos with no sight of video editing. The last of the AI features is the article summarization, which can create in a single tab by extracting key information. While none of these attributes are advanced as Google or something, it's a good entry point for the owners of OnePlus 12 and OnePlus 11 who thought they had mixed this bandwagon.